guys, today I'm going to show you what does it look like inside a car wash or inside a car. This is a little creepy. I can literally see nothing. That music is probably copyrighted.
Okay.
I don't want that YouTube channel to get taken down. Or lose any money.
Oh, you lose a lot of money.
Yeah, that was probably copyrighted. Oh God. Look at the torture chamber. Oh God. Oh my God. Dude, hold up. Oh God, vibrating. Oh, hey, the tube tunnels. Whatever that was. Tire shine, tire shine. What's that? Well, I guess anti-relax and what was your experience? Oh, look at you, okay? That was so creepy. Anyway, guys, please enjoy this video. I decided it was creepy, but goodbye.
What's el éxito ahí?
I don't know.
It's very hot, Brian.
Okay.